we doing like an intro or something, guys?
Nah.
Hi, Josh.
Oh, hi, Dad.
Hey, Joshua.
Hi, Josh.
Shut up, Brad.
I'm ready, I don't even know what my character does. Give me...
Oh, that needs better item. There we go.
Deal extra damage to bosses. We love this. Who fucking Brad?
Worst bosses to get.
Ooh, I am in trouble. I am dead. What a sick boss, though.
Magna Worm, yeah.
Yeah.
Hard, though.
Still alive, Josh.
We did it! We did
Just.
it! That one. Ah, Crowbar.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, shit. I hate wandering
Where's that shit?
vagrants.
I lagged out.
It killed me
What the
most.
fuck just happened?
Yeah,
I was
but
full health, and then...
Yep. He does a big, when you see the big blue thing start forming around him, you need to run.
Yeah, but dude, I wasn't even next to the bat. Like, I wasn't even in the boss room.
No, it's huge.
I couldn't see shit. Because Zane's here.
Hello.
Zane.
Hello. Didn't think you could make the video without me. I wanted to at least make a cameo. How many naughty words have you said so far?
Naughty words. I don't think we
Who,
said
me?
too many.
Yeah.
Me? Not very many at all. I think Munted was probably the worst one I've
Yeah,
said
Munted.
so far.
Are we gonna edit that out?
No.
We'll find out.
I don't think Munted's that bad.
No,
Stop
it's not that.
saying it!
Munted? Mr. Munted. We're changing Zane's name to Mr. Munted.
What's wrong with Munted?
I don't know.
I think it's just a word that sounds bad more than anything else.
I'm being cautious.
I gotta bail. I'm tired.
Alright.
Sorry.
Bye-bye, Dan.
Bye.
Bye, Dan.
I've probably got one more in me.
Yeah, I will go one more. Oh, I got a robot. Healer drone, why not?
I can't kill myself yet.
That'll do.
What a shame.
What the fuck? That's sick as hell. Who are you playing? How do you get the samurai?
I'm playing Onigatana.
He's
Yeah,
playing
he's
on
playing
katana,
Onigatana.
bro.
I don't have mobility, so you'll have to bear with me. If you find any speed ups, they are legally and morally obligated to go to me.
How about no?
Yeah, I'd come up and help, but I can't get up there.
Yeah, me either. Because
Can't get up here?
Yeah,
I
we're
can,
playing.
but we're very low mobility characters at the moment.
Yeah.
Oh, this is sick.
Oh, this is good.
That's f***ing awesome.
What'd you get?
It's sick as 10.
I would appreciate mobility items being left at the moment. 'Cause
Zane's really gunning for it.
I literally cannot move.
Oh, D's gone. No.
D's nuts.
What's this thing do?
Your mom.
Bradley, we will not be making jokes
I'm
like that
listening,
on our
bro.
professional stream.
Big
We
money.
will. Yeah, big money.
What the?
Yeah,
Fuck.
Zane, why would you
Oh, this is the. Yeah.
Oh, I have not seen this.
What
Yeah,
the?
this is DLC content, baby.
This looks lame, man. I actually kind of hate this.
Okay, well, shut the f up. Have you made any better games than this?
But maybe.
Yeah, well, actually we have. Onigatana.
Shut up. Cut that out. Cut that out.
Don't cut it out. Cut it out. Don't cut it out. Come on, Mark.
Oh my god, that character looks like so much fun.
He is. Just as fun as the hit game Onigatana.
Do we want to call it there for the recording?
Yeah, I need to go to bed.
Yeah, I'm very tired.
I'll deal with the intro and outro later.
Hey Mark, introduce Zane as Mr. Munted.
Mr. Munt.